Hey, it's Chabo and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to share the top e-commerce personalization use cases. Let's get started. Understanding what your customers really want and figuring out how you can help them is the best way to create personalized experiences that are truly meaningful. But luckily, there are a couple of strategies that most successful e-commerce brands use, each of which can provide you with inspiration for your own personalization strategy. Let's have a look at these examples, starting at the beginning of the user journey. First, let's talk about the landing page. My number one advice is to change the copy and the headline of the landing page based on demographics or interest. As discussed, these factors can most easily be pulled from the ad you are using to draw traffic to the landing page. For example, if you are selling a portable blender like BlendJet, you might have several value propositions. You'll most likely experiment with creating ads based on each of these value propositions. If someone clicks through the ad promoting portability, then this is what you should promote on your landing page. On the other hand, if your ad promotes the self-cleaning feature, then this could be the main value proposition of the landing page. If your product can solve more than just one problem, and you run advertising to different customer segments based on their problems, it can be a good idea to personalize the landing page, including the headlines and the product recommendations. You can personalize based on the segment's needs and serve different headlines for people who, for instance, want weight loss and for people who want better sleep. Alright, after the landing page, the next step in the user journey is usually list building, which is generally accomplished through welcome pop-ups. Of course, you shouldn't show a list building welcome pop-up to those who are already subscribed. With this segment, you can and should move forward to the other personalization use cases. But for those visitors who aren't subscribed, you can personalize this welcome pop-up based on the country they are visiting from, serving different pop-ups to people from the United Kingdom and Australia, for example. Another option is to use their interest to personalize the pop-up in a very similar fashion to the examples seen with landing pages and serve different value propositions for people who, for instance, want weight loss and for people who want better sleep. You can also differentiate based on traffic source and try giving a special welcome to Facebook or Instagram users or to people visiting from a partner's website. Each of these personalizations can easily boost subscription rates by up to 100%. And don't forget about returning visitors. Welcoming them back with the products they were browsing on their previous visits will not only help them continue where they have left off, but will leave a really nice impression. The next strategy is to personalize special offers on your website so that they don't look generic. This will increase their efficiency. For example, giving your special offer a deadline and inserting a countdown, not just a fake one but a real one, and providing dynamic discount codes can as much as double the efficiency of an offer. Or just simply inserting the name of the current month so the offer feels more special will increase conversion rates by up to 10%. Getting the most out of seasonal offers, like running a teaser campaign before Black Friday and then communicating it again on the day, is also a great way to boost sales. You can also differentiate your offers based on intent and source. You can decide not to offer discounts to visitors clicking through from Google Shopping or other price comparison sites, for example, since these users already have high buying intent and they've already seen your prices. Or if people click through from specific campaigns, you should remind them, but only them, of the offers that those ad campaigns communicated. But the real magic happens when you create real targeted offers to specific segments, like rewarding your VIP customers or reactivating churned and at-risk customers. And of course, you can also use interest or demographic-based personalization. If people want better sleep, well, give them better sleep even in your offers, as we've seen in the examples with landing pages and welcome pop-ups. Personalization can also be very effectively used for upselling and cross-selling. Recommending products to users based on their behavior is a basic best practice. But you can also get more creative, like upselling specific products based on cart value or cart content. You can also try promoting the most popular products to people who are in an earlier awareness stage. Or make it clear how much extra spending is required to qualify for free shipping. Ideally, these messages should be tailored for each country. Yet another popular approach is offering free items if the customer's cart value has reached a certain amount. Next up is cart abandonment. Decreasing cart abandonment is always a big focus of e-commerce marketers. Reminding users of their discount codes and reminding them of the associated deadline is a really good starting point. Emphasizing limited stocks, either in an embedded format or in an exit intent pop-up, can also significantly decrease cart abandonment. For those visitors who haven't yet subscribed and are eligible for a discount, you can offer this discount when they try to leave your site empty-handed. And of course, all these offers can be adjusted based on the value and/or the content of the cart. In cases where you don't want to offer discounts, you can experiment with promoting your most popular products, getting a second chance to raise the visitor's interest. And here's the last step in the user journey. Sending your feedback collection messages at just the right moment will ensure you aren't annoying your customers. As mentioned, getting feedback about what visitors are missing on product pages or on shipping pages can be a very effective way to get quality user feedback. Alternatively, you can choose to measure the overall satisfaction with your website, followed by extra questions to get more in-depth information based on their answers. You can also use this same technique to get testimonials from satisfied customers. And finally, the most efficient way to get real attribution data is to ask your customers where they heard about you. It's especially important if you are doing a lot of brand building and/or social marketing, where most of the attribution is undetectable through Google Analytics. As you can see, there are many use cases for personalized messages during different stages of the user journey. In the next module, I show you how to create personalized messages that your visitors will love and that generate amazing conversion rates. I see you there.